Hey everyone, Joy here, holistic nutritionist and latte lover. Now that could also just be because I love warm drinks because it's freezing cold and I live in Toronto, Canada. It is winter. If you saw it outside right now, you see snow everywhere and I'm only lit up because we have lights in the office. So this video is a warming, spicy superfood drink that you're going to love sipping. So I called this a spicy latte because of the black pepper and also the cayenne, but this latte is so good for your skin too because I also put in collagen, and collagen is absolutely the hero of this latte. So the ingredients in this recipe, actually all of the ingredients are totally functional. That means they're good for your body. So obviously I put in turmeric, and when you're buying turmeric, you could use either the fresh root or you could use ground organic turmeric. And you don't have to worry because organic spices shouldn't have any other ingredients in it. It should literally just say on the label, organic ground turmeric, which is gonna be just as good as using the root as well. Slightly different flavor. Now the hero of this latte, of course, is the collagen, and collagen makes it totally beautifying and skin loving. Everyone is talking about collagen these days, and honestly, it's just because the research is so compelling. And when people use collagen like on a daily basis, I love just putting it in this latte, I like putting it into tea. I just do it once a day. It's kind of like one of my daily rituals, but people notice a difference. It is literally a building block of your body. And when we think of skin, collagen makes up 90% of the dermis of your skin. That's essentially the scaffolding of your skin. That's why when people use it continuously, they start to notice things like their skin looks more plump and fresh and hydrated, and no matter your age. Basically, anyone 18 and older can benefit from taking collagen because collagen starts to decline in your 20s, and by the time you're 60, you have half of the amount of collagen in your body than you had in your 20s. So the collagen I use is Genuine Health's Clean Collagen. They have both marine and bovine collagen, and it is hydrolyzed collagen, so that means it actually gets absorbed in the digestive tract and delivered to the target tissue like the skin. And one scoop, which is what I put in my latte, one scoop is 10 grams. Then I add some black pepper, which is definitely a controversial ingredient because I have other turmeric lattes here on my YouTube channel. One you can watch right here, and I didn't add black pepper and the internet went crazy on me. But there's a reason why I didn't add it, and you can watch it at 6:05. But in this video, because I wanted to make a spicy latte, I did add the black pepper. I also added some cayenne. Now, if you're using really good quality cayenne, like organic ground cayenne, be careful because it can be super, super spicy. I like things spicy because it warms up my body, but if you're a little sensitive, start slowly. And let's not forget ginger. My daughter thinks that ginger is like the spiciest thing on the planet, but it does add that warming quality to this latte as well. Now, I didn't add any nut milk or non-dairy milk. Instead, I added a few spoonfuls of coconut butter because when you add the hot water to this latte, then the coconut butter melts and gets all creamy and amazing and delicious. But if you don't have coconut butter, because it is a little more expensive, you could also very easily do half hot water and half your favorite non-dairy milk. So all you have to do is put all of your ingredients into a high power blender, put your hot water in, and then make sure some of the steam comes out because you do not want to put the top of your blender on right away and blend, because if the top of it doesn't let the steam out, it can like blow off the top, and that is not what you want to do, especially with turmeric. So this is your public service announcement to know that turmeric stains everything, except don't worry, it's not going to stain your teeth. Probably one of the most common questions I get about turmeric is, if I drink this latte, Joy, are my teeth gonna be yellow? No, your teeth are not gonna be yellow. It's not like when you sip red wine and your teeth are red. Doesn't work that way with turmeric, so don't worry. So that's it, guys. Just blend, sip, enjoy. You have your turmeric collagen spicy latte, and I hope you guys love it. If you like this video or if you have any questions for me, comment below. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more joyous videos. Bye, everyone.